Hi home cooks! Today I'm in the kitchen making a chocolate raspberry French toast casserole. This baked French toast casserole has all the familiar flavors and textures of your favorite breakfast. But this breakfast is quick and easy and perfect for feeding a crowd. This make-ahead breakfast is rich, cozy, and completely indulgent. And it's incredibly easy to make. Dotted with melted chocolate, bursts of tart raspberries, and a soft custardy center. So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make a chocolate raspberry French toast casserole. To start this recipe, I'm going to prepare the bread. Rip or cut 12 slices or one small loaf of dried crusty bread. Then arrange the pieces inside of a large greased casserole dish. I'm going to toss the bread with a 400-gram bag of frozen raspberries. If you have fresh raspberries on hand, this will work perfectly as well. And now for that rich egg custard, I'm going to mix together 2 cups of milk with 6 eggs and a half cup of cream. I'm going to sweeten it with a half cup of maple syrup and flavor it with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour this mixture evenly over the bread, making sure to soak all the little chunks. Now all I need to do is cover the casserole and place it in the refrigerator overnight, or for at least 6 hours. This is going to allow the bread to soak up all of the liquid. Now in the morning, just before I pop this casserole into the oven, I'm going to dust the top with 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, mixed with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And finally, I'm going to add to the top a half cup of chocolate. I'm using a mixture of white and dark chocolate chips here, but you can use your favorite chocolate. And this casserole is ready to go into my preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius oven and bake for 45 to 50 minutes, or until toasted and golden on top and the custard is set. And while my French toast casserole was baking in the oven, I mixed up a little raspberry puree to garnish on top. But this step is completely optional. If you want to make your own simple raspberry puree, in a sauce pot over medium heat, mix together 1 cup of raspberries with 2 teaspoons of sugar. Once the mixture starts to bubble and thicken, it's ready to spoon on top of the casserole. This breakfast recipe is perfect for relaxed weekends or any holiday morning. And as always, you can find a link to the full written recipe in the description box below. Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.